So after all this enormous discussion what we had, I need to ask you one thing. Who do you think the course is designed for exactly?
Yes. So the language learning skills for the kids, it happens, it's the golden period for them between when they are 4 to 8 years.
8 years.
Any new language they can learn it very easily. Okay, that not only language, any new skills like cycling, swimming, or skating, whatever you would call as a skill. So that happens at its best when they are young. So, and language, through the body make, okay, the brain design is so that they can learn better when they are young. So, the first right candidate for this course is when the kid is around 4 to 8. So, if the kids are younger to that, if they have, see, individual child have different IQ.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's true.
So, depending upon the child, parent should be able to judge. If the child understands maybe less than 8, maybe 3 and a half, they can take up this course. But the thing is, they should be able to write.
Right.
Okay. See to that, even here it is unique. From one child to other child, it's quite different. They when they start writing. Okay. So and I would suggest not to hurry up. Why? Because these bones are like they are so sensitive.
Sensitive
You
for
shouldn't
that age.
pressurize much. And I would prefer them to learn lowercase, small letters first.
Okay,
Why?
first.
Because in a print you would see lot of small letters. They should be able to recognize the small letters first rather than the capitals or
Okay.
uppercase. Okay. So this the parent should be able to judge. So when the child starts writing and able to speak well, they can take up this course.
Okay.
So the window is between 3 to 8. So the parent should be able to judge. That's a golden period. First candidate. Then second is if the child is above 8 plus,
Okay.
and the child has difficulty reading. Okay, if the child is not able to read 3-letter word, 4-letter, or if the child is not able to read the question in the question paper, knows the answer but can't
couldn't
write.
read the
Yes.
question.
So those kids definitely this will help them.
Okay.
And the kids who can read and write well, it is not necessary. Okay, this is quite basic for them, not necessary.
Okay.
And then nowadays parents do homeschooling. Okay, for them this course is best to
Best.
teach English.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And I used to get kids from across the borders, I said, right? So I have an experience to share. My friend, she lives in Germany. Okay, she wanted phonetics for her daughter.
Okay.
I wondered, why don't they teach phonetics in schools there? Only then I understood that there is no English there.
language.
Yes, as a language, it is not being presented there
Yeah.
there. Okay, I wasn't aware of that. Okay, then we formed a batch, and surprisingly, Sandhya, see, it's there the kids wouldn't write. Okay, they
Okay.
take time to go to play school.
Play
Here
school.
we forget to two
By
and a
2.5
half
years,
years and
just sending
here
them.
in India. That's not true there. So the kids like the students that I had in that batch, they didn't know to write.
Oh,
Okay, they were 5 plus, and I thought, okay, they were not like they speak mother tongue in their houses. They were not aware of the language as well. Little of English language awareness was there. Okay, so then I thought, okay, this batch may take 2 years. I just thought that way. So I used to teach weekly twice. In here in India, it is 9 months. So they are like they may need help. I thought.
Okay.
Surprisingly, I was able to finish the batch by 10 months.
Okay.
Only 1 month extra I took.
Okay.
And they also learned very well and they started blending. Actually, that was actually a best example for me to understand, yes, phonics works. So what happens is when I get kids from India, they almost know the letters and they know. Then I have to continue. Here it's like a fresh page. They were not at all aware of anything, but they managed and it really works. So,
Okay.
but I couldn't continue the batch. Why? Because of the
Timing issue.
Yes. So now I would suggest, this course would be a best for them. So NRI who live in non-English speaking countries, if they wish to teach for
They can
English,
they can access
yes,
this.
yes, they can the globally spoken language. They can make their kids to learn this.
Yeah.
And lastly, I would call play school teachers. say what happens, it has happened with me as well. When I worked for a play school, I I was a like I'm a graduate. I can read and write English.
Okay.
But if a word was given to me, I wasn't in a position to apply the sounds and read the word properly.
Ah, okay.
That trick, I was this much information was not there before I underwent training. So if I tell the sounds, it was not sounding actually.
Yeah.
See, for example, GOAT, goat is there. G A at go at
No, it
G
doesn't.
A eight.
No.
It is goat, I know, but how do I teach to my daughter or anybody?
Kids, yeah.
So unless until I underwent the training, I only then I got to know. Okay, this is semiphonic. There are rules. There are 42 sounds. All this way. So
Yeah.
now what happens with the play school teachers are like they are educated and they can handle young kids. But they would have the syllabus, but they wouldn't be able to figure out how to teach.
How to teach them.
Yes.
Yeah.
So for them, this would be an informative like a lessons or course they can take up, or any adult who wish, or any parent who
parent.
wish to teach their kids, they can take up this course.
This English is really tricky to teach for kids, especially the silent letters. Those kind of things are horrible actually. And one more thing is, when you said like across borders, it is really surprising. The word you said, right, golden period, it actually fits in there. That is where the skill develops.
Yes.
That is the reason maybe they took only 10 months to
Yes.
10 months to learn.
That's the reason.
Yeah.
Yes.